Here's part one of how I do my hair, specifically how I get extra volume. I start with the hair oil, putting it in before I even comb it, then comb it with a wide tooth comb, then I use a volumizing spray at the roots. Now I'm going to blow dry my bangs. I have a little bit of a cowlick in front, so I have to do this in order for my bangs to lay flat. And yes, I am growing them out, so they're a little bit of a pain right now. Then I flip over and I like to blow dry my hair like this until it's about 95% dry. Then I will start sectioning it off into layers and using a round brush as I blow dry. Yes, you need a round brush. I have tried it with a flat brush. I tried to just let it air dry. I've tried to just blow dry it without brushing it. It does not work the same. I do not get the same amount of volume as I do when I round brush. Another key is you want to focus that heat, obviously dry out your hair, and then focus that heat right at the root, and then see how I'm holding that brush in there while my hair cools. That's the key to getting that extra volume right at your roots. It's awesome. It's the best tip ever. Pulling that brush up away from your head and then holding it in there while the hair cools. Again, that's what will give you that extra volume. And then I just kind of run the blow dryer through my hair, make sure everything's dried, and then you're ready to go with lots of volume for styling. So watch part two for how I style it.